the mustache here. I don't know if you could see, but it's right there, starting at like these is like getting up to here. Getting my mustache starting right there. It's like up to here. These are the only place. My mom like says, "What is that?" She took that. Am I right? And so she did like both. She kept on taking my hair. She thought it was like, she didn't know what it was. It's like, oh, Mom, I'm never gonna let you touch my hair again. She's gonna keep on pulling it out. But yeah, I'm getting my mustache. I have a couple friends who have mustaches now. Yeah. Haven't made a video in a long time. Or review, I know, sorry. But if you could just respond here and tell me if you want me to make any more reviews. I'll be sure to make some. Okay, bye. And if you probably haven't been in my channel in a long time, just come back. I'm gonna make more videos. Bye.